Touch Math by Mr. Clay McCombs. Let's learn the touch points. We will start with the number 0. The number 0 has no touch points because it is worth nothing. Its value is worth 0. This is the number 1. The number 1 has 1 touch point. This is the number 2. The number 2 has 2 touch points. 1, 2. This is the number 3. The number 3 has 3 touch points. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 4. The number 4 has 4 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number 5. The number 5 has 5 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 6. The number 6 has 6 touch points. The number 6 has double touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number 7. 7. The number 7 has 7 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 8. The number 8 has 8 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number 9. The number 9 has 9 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.